Yo, 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 it's bunny time. Grab your balloons and let's hop to it. Please welcome clown action.
Start by pumping up a 5-inch white round balloon. Then tie a knot as close to the tip as possible. Then squeeze the air to make it into a longer round shape. Then pump up a 260 white balloon for about 100 centimeters. First, make a 50 centimeter loop twist for one of the ears. Then make another one of the same size for the other ear. Tie the ends around to make sure they're secure. Then tie the ears to the round balloon. Next, push the knot through the round balloon and hold it onto the other side. Twist it a few times and hold it onto the knot. Then grab a scrap balloon and tie it around the knot that you're holding onto. If it's too difficult, try holding onto the knot and get someone else to help you wrap the scrap balloon around it. Make sure you got a double knot to secure it. Now the bunny head is done. Next, grab a 260 lime green balloon. Make 6 loop twists of the same size for the grassy part of the carrot. Adjust all the pieces to make sure it's all symmetrical. With the remaining bit, you can cut it off and tie a knot. Now pump up a 260 orange balloon for the carrot body. Tie the orange part to the green bits that you've just made. First, make a 15 centimeter bubble. Then fold it back up top. And make another one, bringing it back down. Push it through together to secure it. Then make an 8 cm bubble. Then cut it off and tie a knot. Wrap it around the carrot itself to secure it in place. With the scrap pieces of the bunny head, wrap it around the carrot you've just made. And now the twisting part is done. Grab a black marker and add some details such as the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and a smile. Don't forget the teeth and the whiskers too. And we're also adding on some texture onto the carrot. With a coloured marker, shade in the pupils of the bunny. And with a pink marker, add in some blush too. And now you're all done!
Wow, I have a balloon bunny one. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye-bye!